It's me again, and today I will be showing you guys how to get auto clicker on a Chromebook 2021. Another video, because the last video I made, you guys were saying it was like it didn't work for you guys, so I'm gonna give you all specific directions on how to do this. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is up top or below right here. You're gonna want to search Chrome Web Store, so just like this. And you can't go to Google Play because it won't show up there. I tried that already and it doesn't work. Okay, go to Chrome Web Store, click on the first link you see, like that one. And then you're gonna search up here. Now, see, you just leave it on extensions because I guess you can try this one, but I just recommend doing it on the extensions because that's the first one is on. But yeah, and you're gonna do CTG plugins. See right here, just like that. And then it should be this one right here, not any of these. Okay, this is gonna be the first one. It should say like oh my gosh, it should have a green screen that says CTG plugins. It says web browsing improved. Okay, you're gonna click on that one, and it should right here where it says remove from Chrome. It should say add to Chrome. I've already did. So yeah, all you're gonna do is add that. Okay, then when you're done, I think this is the part where it didn't show up for you. Do you see this like puzzle piece thing right here? Right here. When you press on it, it should show up right here. If it doesn't, then you might have done it wrong or something like that. But it should show up right here. Here, I'll even remove from Chrome real quick, and then I'll show you how it works. So as you can see, nothing right there. Boom. Okay, it's checking an extension, and then it's downloading. Okay, so then it should come up here. It should show you this too. It's just stuff like you can enable and disable, but all I want is auto click. So I'm just gonna here. I'll just like get rid of everything else because I don't really want them right now. But yeah, so and this thing it doesn't work on Roblox because it's right here. The one for Roblox you want it down here, like in your hotbar. But yeah, it doesn't work for Roblox because it's up here. Unless you can find on the web, you can get Roblox working like this, Roblox.com. If you can get a game working on there and it still has this puzzle piece up there, you should be able to use it there. But I haven't figured that out yet. But I will be doing a video for Roblox with the auto clicker. So yeah, and just make sure you subscribe and like the videos to get notified when I do a video. Okay. But see, when I did the auto clicker, as you can see, I've enabled it. And what I can do is do that and go out like that. And then what I can do is just name it here. Then you can go to cookie clicker just to try it out. And you can use this for like a lot of stuff too. It doesn't just have to be for the like whatever, like it could be for a lot of stuff, but it can't be on Roblox sadly. But yeah, you just find a cookie clicker because I'll give you a demonstration of what it looks like on here. So here we are. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna obviously go to the puzzle piece, press on it, and you're just gonna select the target. So when it's unloading, so press select target, and then press on this thing right here. As you can see, it turned blue. Boom. Now it's clicking. As you can see, when I move it around, you can see all the cookies getting pressed. But yeah. Anyway, that's really all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe and like, and share this video with other people so they know what to do. And yeah, guys, I will see you next time.